Another fundamental thing we want to cover is some basics of the lingo, the languaging that we use within the affiliate marketing world. The company that's offering an affiliate program, in other words, the company that's willing to pay you to sell their products for them, is called the vendor or the advertiser or just the company. And you are considered the affiliate. You're the person who's promoting that company's products in exchange for a commission. Sometimes the affiliate is also called the publisher. And the reason for this is the original version of affiliate marketing was that you would have a website and you would promote various products on your website in exchange for a commission. Because you had a website, or back then you had to have a website in order to be an affiliate, you were considered the publisher because you published a website. Now, a little later on in this course, we're going to learn about a variety of ways to be an affiliate marketer that does not require having a website. These are different variations and different strategies that you can use where you don't actually have to have a website in order to make money with affiliate marketing. But that's the reason that affiliates are sometimes called publishers. Now you can find dozens or even hundreds of affiliate offers by visiting something called an affiliate network. This is a website that has all kinds of different affiliate offers. Some of these affiliate networks are sometimes called CPA networks, and we're going to learn all about CPA offers a little later on in this course as well.